Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Among Us on Recorder. We will start by learning the essential notes. The main melody primarily uses 6 distinct notes: G, C, D, E, F, and A. It is crucial to practice each note separately to ensure a clear and steady tone. Remember to hold your recorder firmly with both hands, covering all holes completely for proper sound production. Now, let's dive into the first section of the main melody. You will start with the memorable sequence of G, C, D, and E. Each of these notes should be played for approximately 1 beat, creating a steady and recognizable rhythm. Concentrate on making smooth transitions between each note, ensuring a connected and flowing sound. This foundational part sets the stage for the entire theme. Moving on to the second section, you will play the descending phrase, F, E, D, and C. This part introduces a slightly more reflective or melancholic quality to the tune. It is vital to maintain consistent airflow throughout these notes to achieve a steady and even tone. Take your time and practice this section slowly to ensure each note is accurate and well-articulated before speeding up. To master the full Among Us theme, combine both the first and second sections of the melody. Begin by playing the entire piece at a very slow tempo, gradually increasing your speed as you gain confidence. Listening to the original game's soundtrack will help you capture the correct timing and expressive nuances. Dedicate 15 to 20 minutes of practice daily for best results.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.